Thanks for joining me today. My topic is Until Death Do Us Part. It's an awkward topic, especially talking about losing a loved one. Death is not an easy topic to talk about, but at the same time, it's very important in the financial planning process. And it's not only about possibly losing a spouse, it can be another family member as well. And I wanted to elaborate and give you insight on the advantages of working with the Democratized Family Office that handles all the financial affairs for you and your family, as well as to show the advantage of having a group that helps coordinate things with the estate attorney, the CPA, and any other professionals that need to be involved. In my 30 plus years, I've had to sit at this table and talk to those who have lost a loved one, wishing that I had met them long in advance. They were referred to us and all of a sudden realized that, hey, I am now responsible for getting things retitled in my name, for distributing money to other family members, for possibly taking care of other loved ones, even though my spouse is now gone, as well as the anxiety of trying to figure out how they're going to move forward and live their life in the lifestyle they've grown accustomed to. In our Your Financial House process, one of the rooms is the estate planning room. And the reason we have it there is we find that so often people may go on and have a will and durable power of attorneys and other documents put together, but they never revisit it. People don't call back up unless somebody has changed their mind about a certain issue in their documents. They don't call their estate attorney. But each year in the update of the Your Financial House blueprint, we make sure that we revisit the estate documents. We also keep copies on there. So give you a case in point, we had a couple that's second marriage, and they had gone and retitled properly that was in conflict with their estate documents. We had another couple situation when we asked if they had wills, the husband responded absolutely, and the wife said, but we never signed them, even though the estate attorney had been paid. So there are those kind of situations to make sure things have been put in place properly, but also in the event of death, that someone is there with your grieving spouse that can help execute on all the different things that need to take place. The filing of the insurance, who are the beneficiaries, advising them on how the portfolio can be set up to generate income so that they can maintain, as we say in our lifestyle room, their standard of living, their quality of life. Or if it's the goals and dreams of each of you that you want a lifestyle better than what you had before. In addition to that, in the children's heirs room, it also comes down to dialogue. We've got your estate plan in place over here, but what about your mom? What about your dad? Are they still alive? Do you know about their situation? Do you have a durable power of attorney with them? Because as you plan for your retirement in the retirement fulfillment room, you could look up one day and lose a parent only to find out that they didn't have their legal documents in place as well, and now you've got to hire an attorney to help clean up that mess. So there's a lot of dynamics that take place in the Your Financial House process. The house symbolizes families and relationships, but it also prepares for the unexpected to make sure that you've got a group that has your estate documents so that if something happens, we know exactly how to go into action. It could very well be that you lose a spouse. Suppose something happens to both of you, and all of a sudden now the executor has to go into action to take care of your children or possibly your grandchildren. These are the kind of conversations that need to take place. I've had loved ones who have lost their spouse sitting here referred to us because 90, 120 days went by. And as they tried to get through all the paperwork and trying to execute on things to collect the insurance money, as well as to understand what do I do with all these different accounts scattered around? A savings account here at one bank, CDs at another bank, in addition to the fact we've got portfolios at different locations. Using the Your Financial House process, developing a comprehensive financial blueprint so that everything is in place, that you know how it all works and how it coordinates together, not only in portfolio and market swings, but in addition to that, in terms of your goals, your dreams, and what's supposed to take place. That's why at Five Plan Partners, we're proud to be a democratized family office that does financial planning, portfolio strategies, business consulting, as well as that ties into your hard assets, such as real estate and other assets that go into your financial plan, providing high-end personal services and coordinating those professionals as the CPA, estate attorney, as well as on the insurance, annuities, long-term care, and whatever needs to take place there. And my call to action to you is that if you would like to have a confidential conversation, to sit down and just see how your financial blueprint relates to the estate planning work that you've had prepared, we are more than happy to sit down and have that conversation. To also look at it from all aspects as to what you're wanting to achieve, and also from the standpoint of the family members that are involved. Do they understand? Do they have knowledge on how to handle money? Is this also a great way for you to pass on your legacy? And most importantly, if you're married or you have loved ones you want to take care of, that they can continue their lifestyle, even though they can't bring you back, the memories of you will live on forever and their lifestyle will continue, which helps eliminate the anxieties and fears they have going forward. Those are the kind of conversations we have here at File Plan Partners and coordinate it with the other professionals for the unexpected. If you would like to take us up on this, please let us know. Give us a call, an email. Let's schedule an appointment. And we'd like to show you how we can build your financial house, or as my book says, better, richer, fuller, and walks you through the different rooms to let you know the steps and questions you need to ask to make sure that your financial house is on a solid foundation.